This is Sarah Rodriguez. She's been a writer for New Life on a Homestead, and she's also one of our presenters at camp. She's going to be helping Randy butcher the hog, and she's also going to be teaching how to render lard and tallow. So what you got there in your bin, Sarah?
Aside from these bones, this is beef fat. It's frozen.
It's frozen beef fat. Is that all off of one cow? That whole tub?
Yes. There's probably more than that, actually, but this is just what's in this.
So you're going to do the rendering as you butcher. You're going to get the fat ready to process and teach folks how to render lard and tallow, or you're going to be doing tallow.
Doing lard because we're going to do hogs up there. But this will be tallow when it's finished. It's easier if you grind it, which we will do because we cheat. But anyhow, it's easier if you grind it. If you can't grind it, then chunk it up because it'll render down a lot faster.
And what are some of the uses for tallow and lard? The process is the same, even though you're only doing one kind.
Right. Uses: tallow's good for frying. Lard's good for pastries. I use it both to season my cast iron with. I don't even know right off.
Oh yeah, it's great to season cast iron. It's a great base too in candles and lotions and salves. And you'll have a nice big printout out there with recipes for things people can use it for. And you're going to be selling some that's rendered, right, already, ready to go?
I've got some rendered, and I've got some that's already chunked up and ground up and weighed out in bags. That way, y'all ain't going to do that much extra work with it. Or if you're going to take it ready to go, I'll have some that way.
So people can take the skills they learned in your class. And it's not a hard process, but it's a long one.
It's time consuming.
And the smell bothers some people, but...
Tallow is worse than lard.
Yes.
Lard don't really have a smell. Tallow, it smells a little worse, so...
What else you have in your tub there that you and Randy have been working on?
These are smoked bones for your dogs. They're from cow. We smoke them out here with wood chips. My dog loves them. Everybody's dog loves them.
Everybody's dog. Ours got in a big old fight over one, even though they all had their own. Your dog didn't like those. I bet your dog did.
Your dog loved them. They Sarah smoked those.
And on Saturday, Sarah is going to be teaching a chicken butchering class. She's fussing with me about that because she doesn't think she does it the proper way. But the chicken's killed humanely, and it's dead, and it's cooked, and it's delicious. So she does it a little bit differently. How do you do your chicken butchering, Sarah?
Well, I skin it because I don't like plucking them. It's time consuming, and it's a pain. So I skin them all off, and then I kind of try to butcher it where it's still whole.
Oh, your noodles are delicious. So however you're doing your chicken, you're doing it right.